Canaveral, and I'm standing right outside the Ford funnel. I wanted to give you a tour of our room for the next 4 nights. Inside the funnel, there is the tower suite. Look at this. We even have a directory here in case we're not sure where we're going. So you come inside and you can either take the stairs or your own private elevator. Look at that. Take the stairs here. Let's see what that's like. And look what is at the top of the stairs. Got some artwork, beautiful door. In case you forgot where we are, directory and elevator. There is a doorbell there, and you do need a key card to get in here. So not just anyone can walk up those stairs and come in. And this is this beautiful room with a very light Moana theme. We have some welcome things there. These flowers, they're real, they're spectacular, they're beautiful. There is a TV that will electronically raise from there. There's our view. There are some shades there you can see, and the shades will come down. There are some that will still let a lot of light in, and there's others that are blackout shades, more or less. And so people cannot see inside if you have the second level down. And they are all controlled by that little box right there. There's a wine bar, our table for 8. Here's our little kitchenette pantry area. In here is silverware for us. Can't do that with one hand. The cabinets are full of different, coffee mugs, things like that. There are lots of tea and coffee options over here. And here is the fridge, if I can do it. There we go. That is already stocked. They dropped off some fresh juice for us. And you will want to see what's in the freezer. You guessed it. Look at that beautiful freezer. And we go back out. The tower suite has 4 bedrooms. The first one here on the main floor is accessible, and there is just some more glasses. Beautiful. There we go. This is accessible. The bed pulls down right there. It is a double bed. There's a closet in there. And here is the bathroom for this room. The tower suite does have 4.5 bathrooms. So as we come back out and head upstairs, we will pass this half bath. And here are the stairs. There is something they can put at the bottom of the stairs to keep children safe so they can't come up and down freely. Here is the view from the top and our view of Port Canaveral today. You'll see there's 2 primary bedrooms. Both of the primary bedrooms have beautiful views out front. I've got the shades closed right now, but you can get an idea of the privacy that you can have in here. Concierge desk is calling me. I will get that later. And there is the walk-in closet. And here is the beautiful bathroom. Look at those. Fancy. Shower, bathrobes, toilet in there. It's one of the primaries. The second primary is very similar. There we go, and the TV lifts out of these. It does in the other primary as well. Closet, walk-in closet, desk, and the bathroom is at the end of the hall. And there is a shower and toilet in there as well. But you will see it's very similar, both beautiful. And one last bedroom to show you. At the end of the hall here, there is a really cute room. Look at that. And let me show you the ceiling here. Here we are with the lights on. And a bathroom. So it sleeps 8, 4.5 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms. And that is it. This is a gorgeous room. They're gonna have to drag us out of here.